Now then, back in the workshop. So I've got two jobs to do today. One is to paint this fuel tank that I repaired last week. So this is off a Kawasaki VN900. It had a nasty dent in the side there, and I repaired it on my live stream. And my second job is to repair this spray gun. So this is an A&I r150, and we've got some problems with it. So it's not spraying properly, it's spluttering. I think it was bubbling as well. But we've now got this kit from Spray Guns Direct, and I'm going to repair it. And while we're on, I must mention it was Pete's Hobbies who told me what the problem would be with the gun and how to repair it. So big shout out to Pete's Hobbies. You might want to check him out. He's always doing reviews on lots of spray guns. That's basically what he does on YouTube. He's testing new spray guns and giving reviews and telling you how they perform. Right, so we're going to get cracked on and repair this gun. We'll repair the gun first and then paint the tank, because obviously I want to use this gun to paint the tank. So we've got this kit here, we've got the gun stripped down. This is the bit that you want here off the gun, and we're going to replace it with one of these. So basically the one that was on it, there wasn't much left of it. Actually ended up just cutting it off and I slung it. But yeah, got new one ordered now. This is an application tool that you get with it, that's why it's a kit. So you get 10 of these, so you've got plenty there for the future. And you've got an applicator here, and basically that goes over there, and you push this over here to fit it on there, just like that. So new seal fitted. Won't screwing back on there. I'm actually going to give this a clean in my gun wash machine first. Right, we've been and cleaned it up in the gun wash machine. It's had a quick clean, so we're going to bang it back together. Get that on there, and we'll nip it up. Next we'll put the cap on. And we're there. So I've just come into the spray booth now, and I've put a bit of thinners into the gun, and we'll give it a try out in the spray booth. We'll see what it sprays like. So moment of truth. I would say that's fixed. No more bubbles in the pot. Job's a good one, and I'm absolutely chuffed to bits because that is a really good handy little spray gun. Right, I'm going to show you now how to get this kit off Spray Gun Direct's website. Go to the Spray Guns Direct website, click on Spray Gun Parts, and you want parts for discontinued spray guns. Next, you want to click on the A&I R150. And then you want to click on Additional Information. And once you click on Additional Information, all the parts will show up, and you want that kit there on the right. That kit is the fluid tip seal kit. So you've got 10 seals in there and a tool to fit them. And that's all you need to fix that problem with the gun. So there you are, that's how you fix your ANI r150 spray gun if you've got the same problem that I was having. So now that the gun's repaired, I'm going to get on and paint this tank, but I'm going to save this for another video. So I'll see you in the next one. Happy Monday, and if you've not subscribed already, you know what to do.